Can I still drive with Service 4WD light on? The Service 4WD light indicates a problem with your vehicle's four-wheel drive system. This system is crucial for maintaining traction, especially in slippery or rough conditions. When the light turns on, it means your 4WD system might not be working properly. It could be a sensor glitch, low fluid, or a mechanical fault. Ignoring it could lead to more damage or loss of traction in challenging driving conditions. You can often still drive when the Service 4WD light is on, but it depends on the problem. Some vehicles will default to two-wheel drive, limiting your traction. This could be dangerous on slippery roads or off-road terrain. If conditions are dry and you drive cautiously, short trips may be okay. However, continuing to drive without fixing the issue risks further damage to your drivetrain and compromises your safety. If you notice grinding noises, vibrations, or difficulty steering after the light appears, stop driving immediately. These are signs of a serious mechanical failure that could make your car unsafe. Driving further can cause costly damage to your transfer case or differentials. Always prioritize safety and have your vehicle inspected by a professional as soon as possible. When you see the Service 4WD light, check your vehicle's manual for specific guidance. Schedule a visit to a trusted mechanic or dealership to run diagnostics. Avoid off-road driving or slippery roads until the issue is resolved. Early attention can save you money and keep you safe on the road. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.